Alright, this is something I thought that was pretty interesting. I added a pulse width module, pulse width made out of a 555 timer chip. Added some 1.5 potentiometers. Here it is. I'm only using one half of the circuit. I put this pulse width together for a spirograph, which is like made to spin lasers onto a wall and make different designs. And I have it charging a capacitor, and I have it running off of a solar system, which is outside, but I have it through a 9-volt conversion, so I'm only using 9 volts that's going through the Bedini circuit. Now what I thought was pretty interesting is that I took the 555 timer, and then the voltage out coming out of the primary battery, pretty much took that and ran that, pretty much powering the 555 timer, and then on the voltage out, the modified signal, which on pin 3 is going to come out and go back to the primary battery. Now what I thought was interesting about this is because it's just looping, the signal is just going out and going right back into the primary battery. Now it'll achieve the same thing, it's pretty much doing the same thing as when you spin this, except for, here I'll just complete the circuit, make the connection. I don't know if you can hear it. Hear it oscillating. It's not spinning, and the voltage is going up on the capacitor. So there's no mechanical movement. The neon's lit. So I thought that was pretty interesting. I don't know if that was done before. So pretty much what is just a standard Bedini, and then I just ran the pulse width coming out of the primary battery and the negative going back into the primary battery. So there it is. Now to show you that the timer chip is pretty much doing the same, duty as the spinning magnets. Okay, well here's the voltage on the capacitor. So I'll start it spinning. You can see the voltage rising. I'll stop it. And then just by taking the 555 timer, triggering that, oops, I dropped my meter here. Oh, there it is, the voltage is rising. And it's pretty quiet. So I could either use the pulse width to use the, I guess it's the radiant energy, to charge up this capacitor, or I can do it the old-fashioned way. I don't know, but there's definitely something to it. Okay, so this is the capacitor I'm using. It's 1200 microfarad, 450 volt. Anyways, I forgot to mention I got a few of these, so if anybody's interested in buying some of these, I'd be willing to let some of those go. And I even have a whole bunch of these. These are 110,000 microfarad, 25 volt. Anyways, so this is the one I was using, that I used for my Bedini. But I primarily use my Bedini for charging up alkaline batteries. I think it works great for charging batteries.